Now, molecular orbital diagram of N2, O2 and F2. In previous lecture, we discussed about molecular diagram of some homodiatomic molecules such as hydrogen, then He2, then ion of hydrogen, ion of He2 plus C2, and remains three diatomic molecules N2O2 and F2. So we discuss the molecular orbital diagram of N2. So first we write the when N2 molecules are formed. So it is formed when two nitrogen atoms, nitrogen and nitrogens, are linkaging each other to form the Na2 molecules. So first of all, we write the electronic configuration of nitrogen. So nitrogen having the atomic number is 7. So molecular electronic configuration of nitrogen, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So each of the nitrogen having the number of electrons are 2 plus 2, 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So here 7 electrons, and it also carry the or having the 7 electrons. So in nitrogen molecules it's having the 14 electrons. So in previous lectures we arrange the electron is equal to 14 or less than 14, and the sequence of arranging the electrons, it is written as sigma 1s, sigma star 1s, sigma 2s, sigma star 2s, then pi to px is equal to pi to py is less than sigma to pz is less than pi star to px is equal to pi star to py is less than sigma star to pz. So according to, because of in N2 molecules there are 14 electrons. So according to this sequence, we arrange the or we accommodate the 14 electrons in different molecular orbital. It is sigma 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 1s2, then sigma 2s2, then sigma star 2s2, then pi to px is equal to pi to py, then sigma to p z Z. So here we accommodate the number of electron are 14. So from 14 electrons, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 8, 2 here, 10, 2 here, 12, and 2 here. So it is arrangement. So here we draw the molecular orbital diagram for N2 molecules. It is nitrogen molecules. It is also nitrogen molecules having the 1s2 electron. So here we put the 2 electron in its 1s orbit. Similarly, here also 2 electron put in 1s orbit. From them, it forms the 2 molecular orbit and it is assigned as sigma 1s and sigma star 1s. Similarly, it is for sigma 1s. So from the atomic orbit, each of the having the two electrons. So these 2 electrons are accommodated in 2 molecular orbit, bonding molecular orbit as well as anti-bonding molecular orbit in similarly. So here from this orbit, atomic orbit, 1 electron accommodate in bonding molecular orbit and 1 electron accommodate in anti-bonding molecular orbit. Similarly, from another nitrogen atom, from the 1s orbit, 2 electrons from 1 accommodate in bonding molecular orbit and another accommodate in anti-bonding molecular orbit. Now, it also having 2s2 and here also it is 2s2. So 2 electrons from here. So it is distribute in sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. Similarly to 1s orbit, 2s orbit also have the 2 electrons. So it is distributed in similar way to 1s orbit. So in sigma 2s orbit, bonding molecular orbit, it also accommodate 2 electrons and similarly sigma star means anti-bonding molecular orbital also accommodate the number of electrons, it is 2. Now px, py and pz. So it is 2px, 2py and 2pz. Here 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So each of the orbitals, atomic orbitals having the 1 electron. Similarly, in another nitrogen atom, 2px, 1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So each of these orbit also having the 1 electron. Now it is distribute or it form the molecular orbital. So from the 2px and 2px and 2py and 2py having the similar energy. So it is indicated in this way. And here from 2pz, here from 2pz, it form the sigma. So it form the 2px or it form the pi. So it is also form the pi 2py and it form the sigma 2pz. And so it form the 3 bonding molecular orbital and it form the 3 anti-bonding molecular orbital. So from it is assigned as a pi star 2px is equal to pi star 2py, and it also from the sigma star 2px, sorry, 2pz. Now, distribution of this electron. So each of the atomic orbit having the 1 electron. Similarly, in another nitrogen atom also having the 1 electron in its px, py and pz atomic orbital. So here from the px 1 electrons are filled up in pi to px molecular orbital. From here another electrons also accommodating pi to px orbit, and it makes the pairing of the electron. But here pi to px and pi to py having the degenerated orbit or having the similar energy. So from this 1 electron accommodate here and immediately it is migrate in this orbital. Now it is also vector. Now turn of the 2py. So 2py also having the 1 electron, so it accommodate 1 electron in 2px, and from here 2py atomic orbit also having the 1 electrons accommodate in pi to p, sorry, sigma pi to py. Now 2pz from here and 2pz from here, so 1 electrons are accommodate in bonding sigma 2pz. Now we write the electronic configuration for and 2 molecules. So it is sigma 1s2 sigma star 1s2 sigma 2s2 sigma star 2s2, then pi to px2 pi 2px2 is equal to pi 2py2 and sigma 2pz. Now we calculate the bond order in N2 molecules. So formula for bond order of N2 is equal to number of electron accommodate in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electron accommodate in anti-bonding molecular orbital and divide by 2. So we use this formula for calculate the bond order. So we put the value of bonding molecular electrons. So it is 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 6 plus 2 8 and plus 2. So it is 10 minus number of electron accommodate in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So it is 2 and this 2. So it is 4 and divide by 2. So 10 minus 4 6 divided by 2. So it is 3. So in nitrogen molecule, nitrogen and nitrogen atom linkaging by formation of 3 bonds. Now we discuss or we give the explanation for magnetic properties of N2 molecules. So in molecular orbital, all of the electrons accommodate in pairing. So there is no unpaired electron, and there is no unpaired electron. So it possesses the magnetic properties as a diamagnetic properties. So N2 molecules it is diamagnetic. Because of there is no any single bond or there is no any unpaired electron in molecular orbital, so it possesses the dimagnetic properties. So we discussed the molecular orbital diagram for N2 molecules. Now we discuss the molecular orbital diagram for oxygen O2 molecules. So when two oxygen are linked each other to form the NO2 molecules. So here we write oxygen plus oxygen is equal to O2. So each of the oxygen having the number of electron 8, here also 8, and total number of electron in O2 molecules, and it is 8 plus 8, 16 electrons are accommodated in molecular orbital. So when according to molecular orbital there are number of electron 14 or more than 14. So this sequence or order to filling the electrons are changed, and this order are changed from here. Here to it is sigma to pz, and then pi to px is equal to pi to p y, and then pi star to px is equal to pi star to py is less than sigma star to pz. So here we accommodate total number of electron is equal to 60. So from here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. But here pi star to px and pi star to py having the similar energy. So one electron here and one electrons are accommodated in here. Now we write the electronic configuration for oxygen atom. So oxygen having the atomic number it is equal to 8. So electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p, x2, 2p, y1, and 2p, z. Now we draw the molecular orbital diagram for oxygen O2 molecule. So it is drawn as it's 70, 1s2, then it is another oxygen. Here we write the oxygen and an oxygen. Each of the oxygen having the electronic configuration 1s2. So in 1s2 electron it's having the 2 electron, 1s orbital. Similarly, another oxygen also having 2 electron in it, 1s. Now it is from the 2 molecular orbit. One it is bonding molecular orbit and another it is anti-bonding orbit. So it is assigned as a sigma 1s and it is sigma star 1s. Now distribution of electron from the atomic orbital. So each of the atomic orbitals having the 2 electrons. So it is equally distributed. So from here one electron accommodate in sigma 1s and another electron accommodate in sigma star, means anti-bonding molecular orbit. From this atomic orbit, one electron here and one electron here. Now take the 2s orbit. So here it is 2s, and in 2s orbit it also having the number of electrons are 2, 2. So it is 2s2. Now it is from the 2 molecular orbit, and it is assigned as a sigma 2s and sigma star 2s. The distribution of electron from the atomic orbital, it is similar to 1s orbital. So here it carry the 2 electron, and here it also carry the 2 electrons. Now to px, to py and to pz. So it is to px, to py and to pz. In to px, it carries the 2 electron and remains 2 orbitals having 1 1. Similarly, here 1s, 2s, to px. So here to px 2, to py1 and to pz, to px2. So here it also carries the 2 2 and 1 1 electron to px2, to py1 and to pz. So from here, this sequence to filling the electron, first it from the sigma to pz. So from the pz orbital, it's from the sigma to pz. So each of the atomic orbit having the 1 1 electron. So 2 electrons accommodate in sigma to pz orbital. Now we take the another 2 and it form the from here pi to px and pi to py. So from the x orbitals having the 2 2 electrons. So similarly, it is divided into, or it form this way. It is pi star to px and it is pi star to py and it is sigma star to pz. So to atomic to px orbitals have a 2 2 electrons. So here 1 electron from here and another electron accommodate in anti-bonding molecular orbital. Similarly, from here it also 1 electron accommodate in here and another electrons are accommodate here. But here the pi to px and pi to py having the or carry the similar energy. So this electron from pi to px immediately migrate into pi to py, and from here 1 electron immediately migrate into pi star to py. Now to py have a 1 electron and here it also have a 1 electron. So from here 1 electron here and 1 electron here. Now there is no electrons accommodate in anti-bonding molecular orbital because of here only 1 1 electron, here also 1 1 electron. So now we write the electronic configuration for oxygen molecules. It is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, pi to p x2, pi to p y2. Sorry, here we write the first sigma to pz2 and then electron fill up in pi to p x and pi to p y and pi star to p x1 and pi star to p y. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 and 16. Now we calculate the bond order for oxygen molecule is equal to formula use Nb minus Na divided by 2. So in number of electron accommodated in bonding molecular orbital 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So here we put the 10 minus number of electron accommodated in antibonding molecular orbital. So it is 2, 4, 5 and 6 divided by 2. So it is 10 minus 6, 4, 4 by 2, 2. So in oxygen molecule, oxygen and oxygen linkaging by formation of 2. So it is linkaging with double. Now its magnetic properties. So according to molecular orbital theory, there are 2 unpaired electron accommodated in bonding in antibonding molecular orbitals. So it possesses the paramagnetic properties. It possesses the paramagnetic properties. Now, so the molecular orbital diagram and magnetic properties and bond order for oxygen, it is sufficient. Now last molecules, and it is F2 molecule. So when F2 molecules are formed, so F2 molecules are formed linkaging by 2 fluorine atoms. So it forms the F2 molecule. If fluorine atoms having the number of electron 9 and it also 9, so total number of electron in F2 it is 9 plus 9 is equal to 18 electrons are accommodated or arranged in molecular orbitals. So each of the fluorine having the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px2, 2py2 and 2pz. So here sequence follow similar to oxygen because of there are number of electrons, it is more than 14 and less than 20. So this sequence are followed to fill up or accommodate the electrons in molecular orbital. So here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, here 14, here 2 and 2 electrons. So it is 2 plus 2. So here we calculate 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. So according to molecular orbital theory, it follows the or it's having the electronic configuration similar up to here. Now in 2py orbitals, it also having the 2 electrons, here 2 and here. So the molecular orbital or distribution in molecular orbitals, distribution of electrons in molecular orbital from 1s orbit, it is similar to oxygen. From 2s orbit, it is similar to oxygen. 2px, 2py and 2pz. From 2pz, one electron accommodate from here, so it, and one electrons are here, so it from the pairing of the electrons, and there is no remains electron. So anti-bonding molecular orbital of sigma star 2pz, it is totally vacuum. Now here 2px having the two electrons, from them one electron here and one electron here. Similarly, from here one electron from here, and from one electron it is here. Now from the 2py orbital, one electron from here and one electron from here and another electron from here. So we describe or assign the molecular orbital diagram for fluorine molecule in this way. Now we write the electronic configuration for F2 molecule. So it is sigma 1s2, sigma star 1s2, sigma 2s2, sigma star 2s2, sigma 2pz2, pi 2px2, pi 2py2, and pi star 2px2 and pi star 2pz. So here we calculate the number of electron. It is 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. So it is the electronic configuration for F2 molecules. Now we calculate the bond order for F2 molecules using this formula Mb minus Nk divided by 2. So here number of electron accommodate in bonding molecular orbital. So it is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So we put this value in this formula, so it is 10 minus number of electron accommodate in anti-bonding molecular orbital. So it is 2, 4, 6 and 8. So, and divide by 2. So it is 10 minus 8, 2. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So in F2 molecules, fluorine and fluorine atom linkaging by formation of single. Now magnetic properties of F2 molecules, it is there is no any unpaired electron seen or accommodate in molecular orbital. So it possesses the diamagnetic properties. So here it possesses the diamagnetic properties because of there is no any unpaired electrons accommodate in molecular orbital. So this way we completed the molecular orbital theory according to our syllabus. So here we complete your syllabus. એટલે અહીંયા આગળ જેટલું મને ચોપાયેલું અથવા તો મારે જે કાંઈ લર્ન કરાવવાનું હતું એ અહીંયા આગળ તમારા લેવલે કમ્પ્લીટ થાય છે. એટલે આ ટોપિક અથવા તો યુનિટ 4 એ યર્લિયર આપણે કમ્પ્લીટ કર્યો. ત્યાર પછી રિમેઇન જે બી પોર્શન હતો મોલેક્યુલર ઓર્બિટલ થિયરી એ પણ અહીંયા આગળ કમ્પ્લીટ થાય. એટલે તમારા ડિવિઝનની અંદર મારે જે કાંઈ લર્ન કરાવવાનું હતું એ પોર્શન અહીંયા આગળ કમ્પ્લીટ થાય છે. એટલે હવે કાંઈ મારે ભણાવવાનું લર્ન કરાવવાનું બાકી રહેતું નથી. તો અહીંયા આગળ એટલું તમે વ્યવસ્થિત રીતે કરી કાઢ્યો. થેન્ક યુ.